Welcome to this guided meditation for anxiety relief called Hand Tension Release. This meditation will help you release tension and stress from your body, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. So please find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to begin. Take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale, releasing any tension you may be holding on to. So repeat this process a few times. Inhale deeply, hold, and then exhale slowly. And as you continue to breathe deeply, allow your body to relax. Feel your muscles soften and your mind begin to calm. Let go of any thoughts or worries and focus solely on the breath. Now bring your attention to your hands. Imagine all of your anxiety and stress gathered in your fists. Slowly clench your fists tightly, holding all that tension. Squeeze your fists as hard as you can, feeling the pressure build up. Squeeze your fists as hard as you can, feeling the pressure build up. Hold this tension for a few seconds, and as you hold your fists tight, become aware of the sensation in your hands and arms. Feel the muscles contract, the skin tighten, and the energy focused in your fists. This is where all of your stress and anxiety are concentrated, ready to be released. Now take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly open your fists, releasing the tension. Imagine all of your stress and anxiety flowing out of your hands, dissipating into the air. Feel the muscles in your hands and arms relax as you let go of the tightness. So repeat this process a few times. Clench your fists tightly, holding the tension for a few seconds. Then take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release the tension, letting all your stress just flow out. With each cycle, feel the tension leaving your body, replaced by a sense of calm and relief. Now, as you continue this process, notice how your hands and arms feel more relaxed with each release. The tension is melting away, and a soothing calmness is taking its place. Your hands feel lighter, and the muscles are soft and relaxed. Pay attention to how the rest of your body feels as well. Notice the ripple effect of relaxation spreading from your hands to your arms, shoulders, and throughout your entire body. With each release, your whole body becomes more relaxed and more at ease. Now take a moment to simply rest in this state of relaxation. Your hands are open and relaxed, free from tension. Your body feels calm and at peace. So breathe deeply, inhaling calm and exhaling any remaining stress or tension. Allow yourself to fully embrace this feeling of relief and tranquility. Imagine that with each breath, you're inhaling peace and serenity, and exhaling any residual tension. Feel your entire being filled with a sense of calm and well-being. So take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel a sense of calm and serenity spreading throughout your entire being. So repeat this a few times. Inhale deeply, hold, and then exhale slowly. Each time feeling more relaxed and at ease. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the surface beneath you and become aware of your surroundings. Slowly open your eyes, taking a moment to notice how you feel. Now remember that you can return to this practice anytime you need to release tension and find a moment of calm. Simply close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and use your hands to clench and release, letting go of any stress or anxiety. Good work today, and namaste.